Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to configure bonding on an OpenSSA Linux system which is running on a VirtualBox. So most of the time when you configure bonding with the default configuration on a VirtualBox, that it won't work as expected. So I will show you how to resolve it. So as you can see, I have a Linux system with two interfaces, network adapter 1 and network adapter 2. And I have a bonding configuration which I already made, so which is CFG bond 0. The mod is active backup and slaves are ETH0 and ETH1. And here I'll do a ping so that when I disconnect one of the link, you can see the status. So you can see I'm getting a reply. On the VM, I will do a watch command, which is going to do a cat over the proc net bonding bond 0. So here you can see it is the bonding mod is fault tolerance, and the current active slave is ETH0, and the primary the slave interfaces are ETH0 and ETH1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect link from one of the interfaces, and that is a network adapter 1. So the moment I disconnect, the ETH0 status changed to down, and you can see request timed out. So you can see the current active slave is ETH1, even though the link failover happened or the slave failover happened, still our link is not up, or I cannot even ping to this VM. So that will totally defeat the purpose of bonding. So let me connect this back. So the moment I connect it back, the bonding driver going to detect the link status, and the status is changed. It is up now, but still I'm getting request timed out. One thing that you note, that if you notice, that is the current active slave, which is still ETH1. It never changed back to ETH0 when the link came back. So we have to solve that first. So how to make the ETH0 as preferred slave interface. So I'm going to edit the bonding configuration, and I'm going to add one more parameter, which is called primary equal to ETH0. Once that is done, I will restart the network. So with that, the link should come up. So now you can see the reply, and let's do a watch on proc net bonding bond 0. The current active slave is ETH0, and you can see the primary slave is ETH0. Earlier it was none. So the link is up. So let me disconnect the network adapter 1. So now you can see ETH0 is down, and you are getting request timed out. That is completely fine. That is expected. And when you connect it back, the link of ETH0 should come up. Now it is up, and the primary slave is ETH0, and as you can see, the link is up now, and I can see the reply. So we solved one of the problem, but still our failover is not really working. So why it is not working? Because if you notice from the IP address command, the MAC address of both slave interfaces are same. So when the bond starts up or comes up, and that is going to select one interface as primary and take the MAC address of that primary interface and apply the same to all the slave interfaces. So the VirtualBox virtual networking will not like it. So that won't like the same MAC address on multiple interfaces, and your communication not going to work. I think that is the same case for VMware workstation as well. So here we have to tell the bonding driver that don't change the MAC address of the slaves. So how can we accomplish that? We can accomplish that with another parameter, which is called fail over MAC equal to 1. So with this, we are telling the bonding driver that don't change the MAC address of the slaves. So let's save this configuration and restart the network. So I should get one timeout here. So the request is timed out. I mean, the network is up now, and you can see the MAC address is different for ETH0 and ETH1. And let's do the same watch command. So here you can see ETH0 and ETH1 both are up, and ETH0 is the primary slave, and the current active slave is also ETH0. So let me disconnect the adapter 1. The moment I disconnect, it went down. On the right hand side, there is no timeout. Yeah, now our bonding is working properly. Now the current active slave is ETH1 and ETH0 is down. So let me connect the link back. So now you will see the ETH0 will become active again. Now the current active slave is ETH0 and the link is up and there is no drop. So everything is working as expected. So I hope this video is useful and you can test out the bonding configuration in VirtualBox, and you can try out almost all options with these additional parameters. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with more exciting videos. Thank you.